Most people don't lose money buying a used car because of the purchase price. They lose money because they buy the wrong car. A cheap car with constant repairs quickly becomes expensive. And in 2026, with higher vehicle prices, expensive repairs, and rising living costs, reliability matters more than ever. That's why certain used cars continue dominating the market year after year. Not because they look flashy, not because they have the newest technology, but because they simply last. They survive high mileage, require fewer major repairs, and stay affordable to own for years. Today we will talk about best used cars to buy in 2026, budget-friendly and reliable. So, before we start, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. 10. Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla remains one of the safest and smartest used car choices in 2026. It is widely known for being affordable, fuel-efficient, and extremely easy to maintain. With proper care, many Corolla models are capable of lasting hundreds of thousands of miles, which is why it continues to be a top choice for first-time buyers, students, commuters, and families. The Corolla is not built to impress with luxury features or high performance. Instead, its main focus is long-term reliability and consistent daily use without expensive surprises. This practical design makes it ideal for people who want a car that simply works every day without creating financial stress. Older Corolla models also age very well compared to many other vehicles. Spare parts are widely available, repair costs are generally low, and most mechanics are highly experienced with the model. This makes ownership simple and predictable, even after years of use. Even in 2026, Toyota continues to rank highly in reliability studies, and the Corolla remains a strong example of long-term dependability in the automotive world. 9. Honda Civic. The Honda Civic remains one of the best balanced used cars you can buy. It combines reliability, fuel economy, strong resale value, and a more enjoyable driving experience than many budget cars. One reason the Civic stays popular is longevity. Properly maintained Civics regularly last well beyond 200,000 miles, and even older models still feel practical and modern enough for daily driving. The 2016-2020 Civic generation especially became one of the strongest used car values in 2026, because it offers modern technology without extremely high ownership costs. And unlike many cheap cars that feel outdated quickly, the Civic usually ages well both mechanically and visually. 8. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 has become one of the biggest reliability success stories in recent years. A lot of buyers want an SUV but don't want the high maintenance costs that often come with luxury brands. That's exactly where the CX-5 stands out. It offers a more premium feel than many competitors while still maintaining strong reliability and lower ownership costs. Many drivers also like that Mazda vehicles feel more refined and enjoyable to drive compared to typical budget SUVs. And according to multiple reliability discussions and owner reports in 2026, Mazda has become one of the most trusted alternatives to Toyota and Honda. 7. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry is one of the most trusted used sedans in the world for one simple reason: consistency. Year after year, generation after generation, the Camry keeps building a reputation for durability, comfort, and low ownership stress. It's one of the few cars people confidently buy with high mileage because the platform has such a strong reliability history. The 2015-2021 models are especially popular in 2026 because they combine modern safety features with proven engines and transmissions. And unlike many newer vehicles overloaded with complicated systems, the Camry focuses on practical reliability first. 6. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V continues to dominate the used SUV market because it balances almost everything well: fuel economy, cargo space, reliability, comfort, and long-term ownership costs. For families especially, the CR-V remains one of the safest choices in the used market. It's practical without becoming expensive to maintain. And because Honda built such a strong reputation for reliability over decades, used key RV models usually keep their value better than many competitors. 5. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is one of the strongest all-around used vehicle choices in 2026. It combines Toyota reliability with SUV practicality, strong fuel economy, and excellent resale value. And hybrid RAV4 models became even more attractive as fuel prices and ownership costs continued increasing globally. One reason buyers trust the RAV4 so much is that Toyota usually avoids making extreme changes too quickly. Their systems evolve slowly, which often improves long-term durability. That conservative engineering approach is exactly why Toyota dominates reliability rankings so consistently. 4. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord remains one of the best used sedans for people who want reliability, but also want a slightly more premium and comfortable experience. Compared to smaller compact cars, the Accord offers more space, smoother driving, and stronger highway comfort, while still maintaining solid fuel economy. And unlike many luxury sedans, long-term repair costs usually stay manageable. That's why the Accord keeps attracting buyers who want something practical without feeling basic. 3. Toyota Prius. The Toyota Prius has completely changed its reputation over the years. At one point, people only associated the Prius with fuel savings, but now many buyers see it as one of the smartest long-term ownership vehicles available. Toyota's hybrid systems have become extremely mature and proven over time. Many Prius models survive incredibly high mileage with surprisingly low maintenance costs. 2. Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 quietly became one of the best value used cars in the market. For buyers who want reliability but don't want the typical boring commuter car feeling, the Mazda 3 offers a great middle ground. It feels more refined and modern than many cars in its price range, while still maintaining strong reliability scores. And according to many recent reliability discussions and owner reports, Mazda's quality improvements over the last decade significantly changed how buyers view the brand. 1. Toyota and Honda hybrids. The best used cars to buy in 2026 are not just specific models, it's the category itself. Use Toyota and Honda hybrids. Vehicles like the Toyota Prius, Toyota Camry hybrid, Toyota Corolla hybrid, and Honda Accord hybrid are dominating because they combine the three things buyers care about most right now: low fuel costs, strong reliability, lower long-term ownership stress. And while many newer technologies still face reliability concerns, Toyota's hybrid systems especially have already been tested for years in the real world. That proven reliability gives buyers confidence in the used market. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comments below. Before you go, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.